the nice thing about the Rascal unit, and all the Rascal units are the same again at this part, to use it right now, if you're going to disconnect this, it's got tongue tension on it. So what you want to do, make sure your back finish rake is on the ground, and then if you watch up here as I start to change this jack, the back of the tow vehicle is going down, the hitch has got slack in it. Now you can just remove the winch pin and the hitch pin, and you're ready to go, and it'll stay right there. And then when you go to hook it back up, you just back up to it. There's no physically grabbing it, lifting it, or anything like that. I'm going to go over how to install the 3-point hitch. If you notice, when you first get your 3-point hitch, it's already has all the plates installed where they go. You're going to have to take them off to put them on the unit. This is your square tube. You'll remove the hitch on it. After you remove the hitch, you remove the square tube and you'll slide that in. And the square tube goes inside of the hitch. And the reasoning for that is, once you crank this down, you don't smash your hitch. In case you ever go back to using it on an ATV, you want to install your bolts now. You just want to make sure they're lined up. But if you're ever going to go back to use an ATV or UTV, you can just remove the 3-point and put the hitch on. Okay, after you remove the tube, then you remove the triangle pattern. Now the triangle pattern, when you go to install it, is going to line up right under this area. Okay. All right, after you have your hitch set in place, you'll install your bolts. After installing your bolt, you'll stick on a regular washer, a lock washer on each one. And then start your nuts. Do not tighten anything down yet. Make sure everything is aligned before you tighten any of the bolts. Okay, now you push up your triangular plate, line up your bolts. This would be easier with 2 people, but we only have 2 of us out here today. Put on your regular washer, put on your lock washer. And then, now it's easy. Now you just install your other 3 washers, lock washers, and nuts. And then after all of them are installed, tighten everything down and you're ready to go.